How much?
A poop ton.
Okay. I'll get a poop ton for you in a couple hours.
I love it.
You love my poop.
I do love your poop.
I think our relationship is wrong.
I stopped playing Sims. I need to fulfill my entertainment somewhere else.
Or
Apparently,
best.
your poop is the way I do that. Are you recording this? Oh my God.
I walk into that pretty good.
I was trying really hard not to laugh.
Cassie's sitting over like this,
You look like a chipmunk.
so I thought,
Oh
I'm going to
my
play.
God, my face is red.
I'm going to play a joke.
On your phone too.